Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of design and discussing one of the most popular collaborative design tools out there, Figma. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of its features, let's start at the beginning. Who created the Figma application? Figma, the cloud-based design tool, was co-founded by two individuals with a vision to revolutionize the way designers collaborate and create. Let's meet the brains behind Figma. First up, we have Dylan Field. Dylan is not only a co-founder of Figma, but he also serves as the CEO. His leadership has been instrumental in steering Figma towards its current success. With a background in design and technology, Dylan brought a unique perspective to the creation of Figma. Now, let's talk about Evan Wallace, the other half of the dynamic duo. Evan is the CTO of Figma, responsible for the technical aspects that make Figma the powerful tool it is. His expertise has played a crucial role in shaping the platform's functionality and performance. Founding of Figma, Dylan Field and Evan Wallace co-founded Figma in 2012. Their goal was to create a design tool that not only met the needs of individual designers, but also revolutionized the way design teams collaborate in real time. The result? Figma officially launched in 2016 and quickly gained widespread popularity. Figma's impact on the design community has been immense. Its real-time collaboration, cross-platform compatibility, and user-friendly features have made it a go-to tool for designers and teams around the world. Let's talk numbers. As of current year, Figma boasts over 1 million users worldwide. That's an impressive figure considering the competitive landscape of design tools. What's even more fascinating is the diversity of Figma's user base, spanning industries from tech to healthcare, and everything in between. Conclusion, and there you have it, the creative minds behind the Figma application, Dylan Field and Evan Wallace. If you're a designer or part of a creative team, Figma is likely already on your radar. Stay tuned for more videos on Uishaper, where we explore the tools and people shaping the world of design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy designing.